Here's how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on your iPhone. Now, if you want to create your own Game Pass that you can have other people donate to you, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open up the Roblox app here on your iPhone, but it also works the same on an Android phone, iPad, etc. Now, from here, we're going to tap on More at the very bottom right. And then from here, all we're going to do is scroll down until we get to that create option and tap on it. Now, this will bring up your create page. We need to go to your specific experience or place by tapping on the three lines at the top left and then tapping on creations. You can see here is Carolina 1010's place and tap on it. Keep in mind, it does need to be public. If it's not public, just tap the three dots at the top right. And where it says make private, make sure to select public. After we've done that, let's open it up here. And I'm in my creations here, my place. I'm going to tap on those three lines at the top left. And now all I need to do is scroll down, and under monetization, you can see passes. Just tap on passes here. And we'll create a new pass. You can see I have a few different other passes, but let's hit create a new pass. You can choose to upload your own image here if you wanted to, or you can just use the default image. A lot of people just use the default. And now you can name it to whatever you want. So I'm just going to name it some gobbledygook, whatever, and hit done. Now you can have a description as well and hit create pass at the very bottom. So I've created that pass, but now I need to set a price to it and make it go live, because you can see if I scroll over, it says off sale. So on here, I'm going to tap on it and open it up. And now I'll tap on those three lines at the top left. From here, I'm going to tap on sales under basic settings, and I'm going to toggle on item for sale. And I'm going to set a price as, let's say, 200 Robux and hit save changes. Keep in mind, when you go through this process, Roblox will take some of your Robux, usually about 30% of that, so you won't get all of that. Now, after you've done that, you've created this. Let's go back out of here and back again. You can see if I scroll over, it is now enabled. So let's create the Game Pass in basically a stand for ourselves. So let's hit the X button and go home at the bottom left. Now, you can either search for or just open up Please Donate if you haven't already. You can just tap on it and hit play. So if you don't see Please Donate, just search for it. After you've done that, let's get out here and let's just follow and walk around until we get to a stand. It says your text here. So that's an empty stand, and I can claim it just by pressing and holding on it. And there you can see, just like that, I can go through the tutorial if I want to, but I can just hit exit. And there you can see are all of the Game Passes that I just created, that 20 or 200 rather, 150. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.